Oh, sorry. Now this is a pouch packing machine. I'll tell him to start now. बरोबर चढ़ा है पानी कर दीजिए नहीं पानी
मासूम प्रॉब्लम था
Now this is manual washing system we have, and this bottle to be placed on
this for 5 gallon.
5 gallon. No, 5 gallon for 5 gallon.
And we have one of this made for 5 gallon.
No, it's a different machine for 5 gallon. Yeah, we have. See, there is a UV system here. Ultraviolet. For bacteria and air contamination removal. Now this all 8 bottles stop here, and then it starts the filling. See, it's now filling. Okay. When it gets filled, the gate will open and the conveyor is continuously running. You can see. Now it's filled. Now the gate is open. The empty bottles takes place now. And
This is all made in India.
Yeah. We have only developed. I have the order for West Africa, Mozambique. The same machine I am going to supply. Now, then it comes again under the UV system. Again.
Okay.
After filling, before filling and after filling, there is a UV light. Then it comes to the capping system. This way. There is a capper. It takes a capper, there is a cap vibrator is there, and then the screw capper is there. It's capping. And again it will come on the conveyor. There is an overhead tank we have provided. That top tank.
How many machines and how many liters per hour?
This is 24 bottles, 24 to 26 bottles per minute. About 1500 bottles per hour. Then after capping it will come to this way, the inspection table. You can see the bottle in this way. If any particles are there, you can see and identify it. So this is inspection table. So this fellow will check if any particles is there, he will take that bottle inside. So this will save your production in a market. This is known as an inspection table. Now this fellow is just putting and the bottles are coming on this way. One is just adjust the label in proper way, and the bottles are coming to the string tunnel straight away. This is the string tunnel. This is not fixing at the moment, but when it comes to this string tunnel, when it comes out here, it will stick. You see, and it will come on this turntable, and you just put it into the corrugator box. Pack it with the BOPP tag. Okay. There it is. We have suggested manual system, semi-automatic for you. No, this is fully automatic. Washing is semi-automatic, rest is automatic, fully automatic. We have everything in a part in our system. I will explain you later on.